My name is Joshua Prutch. I am an Executive Vice President of Nissa, the National Independent Soccer Association. I came in with pretty high expectations, only because I wanted to, and those were shattered. What I received here was much more than I ever anticipated, whether it's the people volunteering that made this thing possible, or the craftsmanship and the architecture itself. I think it was far beyond that anyone could ever imagine. But until you come here, I don't truly think you can appreciate it. You know, it takes the efforts of every single volunteer to make this thing come to fruition, and so there is no job too small. And we say that, I say that in my professional career all the time because I'm willing to put on any hat, but this really exemplifies it because every job is important, and none of this would have happened without the countless millions of hours that have been poured into this. The volunteers are putting their being into this facility, this temple. I do have one regret, and that is I did not bring my children, who I think would have gotten so much out of this. So that just means I'm going to have to schedule another trip to bring my children.